Hello, welcome everyone. Our today's topic is your favorite topic because everyone who is working hard on social media platforms wants to earn money from their account, page and channel. So why you should watch this video today? Let me give you a reason for that. You can see our different social media accounts such as on Facebook, our mini, global, and on Insta, our global, travel with Guptas, on YouTube, our marketing fundas. I have shown you all these accounts, pages and channels. Besides them, there are many more. Now friends, on top of all these platforms, we have followers and we have a lot of reach. Now friends, with all of this, as an influencer, we earn a good amount of money. So today, I am going to share those tips, tricks and all those strategies from which, my friends, you can also bring growth to your channel and increase reach. You can increase followers using such methods from which you can easily start to earn money. People are earning money from social media platforms like this, so why not you? You can also start earning money. So now, before we move on to our first point, I want you to watch this video right here. In this video, I have shared all the tips and tricks and everything about how to increase your followers, engagement and reach. Okay, so these are all practical things that we do in our agency. So make sure that you watch this video. Now friends, I hope you are all watching this entire course and learning about Facebook ads and organic activity from it. Now first, I am going to explain everyone all about the Facebook monetization 2024 in extreme detail. Firstly, friends, we are going to understand the policies of Facebook monetization. So guys, now Facebook has upgraded its monetization tools, which are in-stream ads, subscriptions, stars, and even through branded content. You are provided many ways to earn money by using these tools. But how does all of these tools work and how can we use all of these effectively so we can earn money? Let's discuss this. Now to get monetization, we need to do a few things. First of all, you have to make your page rich and appealing. Then also you will have to make your page profitable, guys. So friends, in order to do this, you should maintain the consistency of quality content on your page, so that you can start to build a loyal audience base. And when the sponsors notice that loyal audience base, then my friends, they come to you and offer you money. So guys, basically what happens is that when you achieve those monetization policies of Facebook, then after that you start earning money from Facebook. Friends, only the quality, content and consistency of your page will lead you towards monetization, and only then it will start earning money for you. Now I'm going to share important tips with you. You should keep them in mind because I apply those tips on myself as well. So the most important thing is to choose the right niche, the right category, the right industry, and decide who you will create content for. For this, you will decide based on 3 factors. Trust me guys, I am giving you a hit formula. The first factor is something that you are interested in, because guys, if you do something only for money without interest, then in future you might not be able to continue or maintain consistency which is necessary. Interest is important. Now second, along with interest, the niche that you have should be connected to your business or practical experience, only then it will make you earn money. And now the third thing is that whatever niche you choose, its future, its opportunities. So be sure to check these things because you are working hard and you are interested, but there is no potential in that industry. These 3 things will decide which niche you should choose. Now, so friends, when you will choose a niche and after that when you start creating your content, you need to know your audience as much as possible. Now you can interact with your audience using features like polls and other tools. You can do a Q&A and you can also use the stories feature. You can use many other things like reels and shorts that are in trending right now by creating quality content with consistency. You can build a larger audience base and get more engagement. Now we are going to discuss those tools that will directly help you earn money. The first one is going to be in-stream ads. So let's say if you have a video whose length is 3 minutes or more than that, so then you can enable in-stream ads. After that, you will start getting money for every view on that particular video. Second, fan subscriptions. So friends, in this tool, you can charge a monthly subscription fees from your loyal followers by offering them exclusive content and perks. Third, Facebook stars. By doing live streams and videos, you can receive stars on them and generate a lot of income from it. Fourth, branded content. Okay, so guys, in this method you can earn money through sponsored posts. In this you just have to collaborate with brands and then friends you will start earning. Now let's take a look at some extremely important tips and tricks. First, engage with your audience. Friends, I have seen that most people just post their content but they never engage with their audience. You need to respond to comments and conduct live sessions. You have to respond to direct messages. Guys, all of this strengthens your relationship with your audience and creates a loyal audience base that stays with you for a long term. Second, analyze your insights. Facebook Analytics is a free tool provided by it. If you know how to use it correctly, then you can track the performance of your content. You can make necessary improvements in that. You can also create new content strategies. And based on that, you can focus more on what people like the most. And beside that, you get a lot of data. Third, stay updated. The changes or updates that keep happening on Facebook policies and algorithms. Guys, it is necessary for you to read them and understand them correctly and make changes in your content according to them. So friends, I really hope that the important tips and tricks from the industry that I have shared with you today, and also the way that we are getting success with our follower base, which is increasing on social media now, you can do it too. Just creating content should not be enough, guys. You need to start earning money from that content. And my friends, for this main reason, you should apply these tips and tricks in your social media. Don't just listen, but apply them and start making money. So please write, yes, I will apply in the comment section. Yes, I will apply. Yes, I will apply. And if you guys want us to bring any other course in our channel, then please friends feel free to let us know that in the comment section so that we can make videos about that respective course in future. Thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.